Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making cornbread dressing. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need a young chicken, cornbread, yellow onion, green bell pepper, carrots, celery, eggs, butter, cream of chicken, chicken bouillon, seasonal, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, and sage. We're going to begin by prepping our vegetables for our broth. Chop a yellow onion into fourths, 3 stalks of celery, and 3 carrots. Next, we're going to lightly season our chicken with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. In a pot, add just enough water to slightly cover your chicken. Add yellow onion, carrots, celery, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and mix. For additional flavor, you can add thyme and bay leaves. Next, add in your chicken, cover with a lid, and allow it to simmer for 2 hours. While the broth is cooking, we're going to begin prepping the rest of our ingredients for the dressing. Dice 3 stalks of celery. Dice a half of yellow onion. Dice a half of green bell pepper. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add veggies and saute for 5 minutes or until the onion becomes translucent. After 2 hours, the chicken broth is done. Remove the chicken, skim some of the grease off the top, and strain the broth into a jar or bowl. Next, remove the skin and bones from the chicken. Use mainly the thighs and legs for more flavor, but if that's not enough, you can shred a breast as well. Bake your cornbread according to the directions on your package. Allow it to cool in the fridge or overnight. Once the cornbread is cool, crumble it. After crumbling the cornbread, place it in a bowl and add the chicken, sauteed vegetables, 1/4 cup of melted butter, a can of cream of chicken, 2 eggs, and mix until all the ingredients is well combined. Slowly add in 1½ cups of chicken broth and mix. Season to taste with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of sage and poultry seasoning. Place the dressing in a baking dish and smooth out the top. Bake at 365 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And there you have it, cornbread dressing. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.